And today I'm going to be playing MSP. So my username is JadaGirl607 if you want to friend me. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to be playing this like I normally would. So I do change my clothes a lot. I do buy a lot of clothes. And as you can see, I don't have a lot of money, so that's the reason why. This is with my hair. These are all my hats, all my shoes, my pants. I only have two pants. I have my beginner pants and then my pants that I always wear. But then I have a lot of shirts. So I really like this one. I kind of like this one, but it's kind of too big for me. But then I got this dress. I just don't really think it fits me. I do have a Santa Claus hat. And in case you're wondering where I got the Santa Claus hat, I will tell you in a minute. So, yeah guys, let's dress for the video. Maybe this. I'm gonna take the hat off. Oh, there she is. So I'm gonna keep those on. Like this. I'll go with this. So yeah guys, make sure to go like all my looks. Here they are. So yeah, the hair, the first one, I don't really like that hair anymore. I don't really use it. So tell me in the comments which hair is best for me. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. Okay? So I think I'm gonna go for this in the video today. I'm gonna wear this with it. So I think that's how we're gonna dress. But yeah guys, there's 7 hairs. Which one do you want? I'll just give you a quick redo, or you could pause. So we're just gonna wait for that to load. So this is the time where you pause this. So yeah guys, just pause. So hopefully you just paused and you can choose. So like I said, the number 1 is the one at the top. Number 2 is beside it. Number 3 is beside it. So winter, this one. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. So for the video, I'm gonna go for that, and hopefully you just paused. So yeah guys, let's do this. Okay, so there's this really cool thing. I can't open it. Okay, if it load. So this is really cool. This is like really cool. It's like a calendar. You get stuff. These 2 things. I think this is an item, so I will be back once I'm in my room, guys. Okay guys, so I'm in my room, so let's go see if that's an item. I don't see it so far. Oh, there it is. We found it. So I guess it is an item. Put it right there. So yeah guys, this is my room. You can't really see me right now. Oh, it's because day. There we go. Yeah guys, this is my room. So yeah, let's play some games. Let's play quiz. I'm probably gonna get most of these wrong, but let's try. Okay, well, which character? March. What's up? Yay! Millie. Who's Millie? What is heavier? A pound of water, a pound stone, the width. Stone? Oh. Who does Jim Carrey as the 50 most beautiful people in the world? Himself. Oh. Okay. Which one is not a duo? I'll go for, okay. So yeah, guys, like I said, Donald Trump, no, so I'll go with him. Oh yeah, all day. What MTV show did Lady Gaga make an appearance on? I don't know any of these. The Hills? I don't know. Oh yeah, all day, baby, all day. That girl, what weapon does the green hair have? A ring I'm gonna go for? Oh yeah. All day. All day. I'm gonna go with Will Smith. There's a lot of Smiths. Hopefully I got it right. Oh yeah. Who sang the song I Believe I Can Fly? I don't know how to say that, but R. Kelly. Okay. I'm gonna go for to melt the sea level would rise more than good job, guys, good job. The Beauty and the Beast is a fairy tale set on which country? France, Italy? Oh, we all said Italy. How many players are there in a curling team? I'm gonna go for 4. Oh yeah, all day. So let's go on to a chat room. Let's go with Pet Park. So in case you guys haven't met, I can't really remember. This is Galaxy. Let her picture just load. So that's Galaxy. For some reason she has a dirt stain on her, but don't worry, I do wash her. It's weird. So we're going to Celebrity Pet Park. Okay guys, so we're in, and I can already see a doggy. Oh, like okay. But yeah guys, I have the perfect thing if I can find it. Let's find it. Where are you? I can't find it, guys. No. If it's in this, no. Here we go. But look how perfect this is. And I move. How about we make a movie? That sounds like a good idea. Okay. So, I can do movies. So these are some of my friends. With me. Huh? Who are these? Same. So yeah guys, I'm on my tablet. That's what I usually do. Okay. So let's make a movie. What should it be about? So guys, I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting lately. I've just been really busy with school and all of that. So yeah. I'm going to get this, and I'm going to get that. Okay. Now get a boy. I don't know. Maybe a friend. See, guys, these are all my friends. As you can see inside. Guess we'll go over him. Where is he? Okay. Can you get me an angel dress? I'm just gonna say no, that's like really out of there, like at least try to get to know me. So, let's just ignore her. That's really, like, mean. Hey, can you give me an address? So that's our first one. What are we doing? Okay, so we have that. Oh my god, no, I don't have a lot of money left. She's like, oh, can you get me a dress? No. Hi. So yeah, guys, there's a little sneak peek of my movie. I will be back once. How dare you? So I will be back once I'm done with the movie. Hey guys, sorry, the movie got canceled, so I guess I'm gonna end it here. So like I always say, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content on this channel. And like always, bye!